Thank you for joining us for Targetti enLIGHTen. Today's product demonstration is on Bulletto. Bulletto is a low voltage, small scale IP66 floodlight projector light. It is available in two sizes, in Bulletto Mini with a 1.5 inch aperture or Bulletto in a 2-inch aperture. This fixture comes in two different finishes, both ferrite gray and bronze, and is available in various amounts of optics and wattages. In the Bulletto Mini, it is available as an 8 watt, in the spot, flood, and medium wide flood optics. Demonstrated here is the spot optic. This fixture delivers around 442 delivered lumens, as well as up to 20,000 center beam candela. In the Bulletto, this is available as a narrow spot 10 watt, a 12 watt spot, flood, medium wide flood, and wide flood. Shown here is the medium wide flood, and up to 800 delivered lumens with a center beam candela of up to 24,000. There are several optical accessories available with this fixture series. Included is a honeycomb louver, a linear spread lens, chromatic filters that can be specified for static, vibrant colors, as well as an external asymmetric screen option that sits on top of the fixture snoot assembly. This fixture series features many different types of installation accessories. There is a ground stake installation accessory for your turf as well as ground cover installations, as well as a surface mounting rotational plate that can either be used directly onto a surface or used with a strap that can be mounted to a tree for a tree installation. Also, we have a surface mount canopy cover that can be mounted directly over to a J-box canopy, or using the 1/2 inch MPT featured at the back of this fixture, this can simply be mounted directly to a pole of any sort. This fixture features 180 degrees of tiltability with a hex locking screw that can be fastened down at any point for a secure mounting. It also has a 1/2 inch NPT threaded back that can be used to mount to any of our ground or landscape accessories or any acceptance mounting installation. It is broken down into 3 basic components. You have your snoot assembly, your body that is individually IP66 rated, as well as your fixed fastening and mounting stake. To demonstrate, I am going to first show you how to interchange your media as well as your lenses in the field toollessly. To do this, I can rotate my snoot by pushing down with a little rotation and a little pull up, and my snoot accessory will disengage. Inside of here you will see that we have a gasket as well as your spot lens optic. First, we would insert our gasket component into the body of the fixture. Next would be our lens. In this case, this is my spot lens. I also have a linear spread lens that can be inserted as well to create a beautiful, nice linear look. I would then take my snoot cap, realign it, and by pushing down and rotating clockwise, it now is fastened to the gasket. You can see that I have a beautiful linear spread optic. The same goes for the Bulletto Large. In this case, I would do the same optical component by releasing the snoot, again rotating and pushing down counterclockwise, a little pull, and my snoot disengages. Now I have my hex cell optic that I can put inside of here, realign the snoot assembly, push down and rotate clockwise, and now I have my hex cell louver installed inside of my fixture. I can apply that same type of condition to loosen the body and the snoot from the mounting. To do this, I would simply take my body, rotate counterclockwise by pushing down to release the gasket, pull up, and you can see that we have inside here a connector, I would disengage my connector, and now my body is separate from my mounting. The benefits of this is that if anything should go wrong with the fixture, all that they had to do was loosen the fixture toollessly, send this component only back to the factory for repair, and now we can send it back and they simply mount it back to your ground and stake accessory piece. These fixtures use 24-volt remote driver options, and you can use one driver for an assortment of fixtures depending on what your wattage is. These can be daisy chained together to operate off of one single driver. We hope you have found this product demonstration helpful. Please be sure to visit us at targetti.us for the latest information. Ciao!